Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. Charge the earbuds in case for at least 15 minutes, and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and within 3 to 5 meters. Once done, physically inspect the earbuds and the lightning connector or 3.5 adapter for lint, corrosion, or moisture. Debris blocks contacts and interrupts audio. If you see grime, gently clean with a dry, soft brush or a toothpick wrapped in a lint-free cloth, because good contact is essential for sound. Next, address software and pairing. In Bluetooth settings, forget the earbuds or accessory and then power cycle both earbuds and your phone. This clears transient pairing errors. You should also update your device's operating system and any firmware for the earbuds because incompatibilities cause dropouts. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone. This clears corrupt Bluetooth caches. Remember to back up Wi-Fi passwords first. Once repaired, play audio and monitor for latency or channel imbalance to confirm improvement. For final verification, test the earbuds on another phone or computer to isolate whether the fault is the earbuds or your device. If they work elsewhere, focus on your original device settings. Make sure audio balance isn't shifted fully left or right in accessibility options, and try a different app or streaming source to rule out app issues. If none of these steps restore sound, contact Apple support or an authorized repair center. Hardware faults like damaged drivers or connectors often require professional repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.